Hi guys, it's Rod from Crossfire in the middle of the woods, and I'm going to show you how to do a jumping lunge. What's a jumping lunge? It's a lunge in which you jump. Here we go. This is a lunge, first of all. Okay? Whoa, that's a lunge. That's a lunge. That's a lunge. That's a lunge. Okay. Jumping lunge. There's left. Oh, there's a dog. Get the dog off my foot. And we're going to swap to right with the jump. Jump high, land. Jump high, land. Sorry about the dog. Put me right off. Jump high. Okay. Swap it over. Just tap your knee very gently on the ground as you go down. Don't slam it in. Jump, 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 jump. Kills your thighs. Okay, it's a really good one. Plyometric exercise. What is a plyometric exercise? Plyometric exercise is one where you extend the muscles and contract them and extend them explosively. Okay, what that's going to do is it's going to give you a really intense workout. It's going to build your stamina, your speed, your strength. Very good for jumping sports, martial arts, tennis, sprinting, that type of thing. Good for building muscle tone. Works in your fast twitch fibres. Be careful though, because it can damage dodgy knees. Shouldn't really do it more than once a week because it damages the tissue fibres. And welcome to my woodland world. See you later.